uh, I thought that before I continue with posting about the Python series, why don't we introduce something that is going around the world? So we all know that COVID-19 is, on fire right now. I shouldn't be using those words, but literally it's just everywhere. All the stock market and lives and everything is just getting affected by it, and it's our duty to do something related to it. So today I realized that Indian government has taken a lot of initiatives related to it. You can go on to this website and innovative. I will be posting all the links below. And they have organized a prize money of 1 lakh rupees for the programmers who solve the problems related to the COVID-19. Here are a few data sets also that they have provided. The data they have provided is just enormous set of data. You can just do a lot of things with it. What I was thinking is to create a model that takes input features like population density of a place and the weather information related to it, all the possible and nearest routes to it, so we can figure out what could be the possible routes of the virus to enter, so that it can give us all the hotspot in a particular area, or the areas where the spread of the coronavirus can be maximum. So these are my ideas. You can all use all these data sets to generate something. I look through the data sets and they are really enough to create something. Then there are a few others hackathons like these, and then comes this one. This one is like one of my favorite, and it's called Call for Code, and it is organized by IBM. Right now it is devoted to COVID-19. Okay, so we all know that uh, like we are programmers, right? People always tell us that we are problem solvers. If we don't solve the problems that actually matters, if we just keep printing hello world, if we just keep solving algorithms and just things that actually doesn't matter to the original people, then we are useless. We should be doing something that actually count for a change. Here are few other datasets that I found out here. These datasets are organized by the Indian government. You can use, I don't know how much of this, but it's not always COVID-19. You can do something other than COVID-19 for the government, and just do something for the social impact once at least, right? If you search on the internet, you will find dozens of websites. Okay, dozens of websites, a lot of websites and stuff that you should follow. Okay, so what to do with these websites? Just go on these websites, try to see a challenge, form a team with your friends. Okay, try to, at least if you know that you can't solve the challenge, then at least prepare a like a PPT, or sorry, a PPT, and after you prepare a PPT and you prepare your schema how you are going to solve that particular problem, just post that, so that if people know that your schema and your idea has weightage, they can actually help you develop that particular kind of idea, make you meet people who know how to code it exactly. So doesn't matter if you are just a starter, if you are just starting your career in programming, just try to help others. Okay, we are not here just to earn. We are given responsibilities. We know that with big powers comes with responsibilities. Ben Parker. So I'm just saying that just go to these websites, the links are below, just at least visit them once, try to figure out an idea, try to make a team with your friends or anyone, and try to solve them. Okay, so thanks for watching this one. Be safe and wish for the best. Thanks for watching.